If you're going on vacation and you want help planning out your outfits, there are a couple ways that you can do that. The first option would be to create a closet with the pieces that you're going to pack and then generate a calendar, as we see here, based on the pieces in that closet. If you don't know what you want to pack and you want to instead plan outfits first and then pack what those outfits recommend, you would simply create a calendar based on the location you're going and then use those outfits to get your packing list. Let's start with the first option. Let's say you know what you want to pack and then you want the interactive to build an outfit calendar based on those pieces. The first step is actually going to be to go to your closet. And if you've never done this before, be sure to head to your blueprint and check mark the items that you own and move them over to your closet. Once you have your closet populated with what's in your real life closet, you can tap on the closet's filter and tap to add a closet, and you're going to go ahead and name it whatever the vacation is. I've already generated one and named it Cancun Vacation. Then you can head back to your regular closet and you can filter items by the season for the location you're going. So for example, spring, summer. You can go by category to make it a little bit faster if you have a lot of items. And you're just going to check mark the items that you are packing. And once you have those check marked, you can hit add/move pieces to closet at the very top. You're going to have to scroll back to the top of the page and choose the add/copy option. It is not going to create a duplicate of these items. It is simply going to add them to another closet instead of moving it. And then you're going to select your Cancun Vacation closet and hit to add to closets. So I've done that now for all my categories. I found what I was going to pack and I moved them into my Cancun Vacation closet. So it's 27 items and those are good to go. Now we recommend that you include at least a few tops, bottoms, and then dresses if you plan to take dresses so that you can get some complete outfit recommendations. You don't have to list the accessories and shoes you're going to take. That is optional, whether you want to move those into the closet here. Then let's head over to the calendar page and let's generate a outfit calendar based on the pieces in our closet. So you're going to click on Add Custom Calendar and we're going to name it Cancun Vacation, and under calendar type select automatically choose outfits based on my weather. And then here you're going to select the collections that have the types of outfits you want to take. So in my case, I want a few special occasion ones, and then other than that, casual. So I'm going to select women's essentials, core women's essentials. And then for the location, we're going to type in the location of your vacation. I'm going to put in Cancun here. And then for number of outfits, you want to note that it's going to start planning out outfits from today. So you can do this either a week or a few days before your vacation, or just put the number of outfits that equals the number of days from today until the end of your vacation. So let's say that I'm leaving in a week and staying for a week. I'll do 14 days of outfits so that it covers all the days. Now under only outfits I can make, you want to select broad. This is going to choose outfits from our collection that match the items in your closet. So under filter by closet, we're going to select our Cancun Vacation closet. Now, this will be sure to give us some outfit options back that match the weather in the location that we're going. We don't recommend using strict unless you have added a bunch of accessories and shoes and completer pieces to your vacation closet, because it may fail and not be able to find enough matches. With strict, you would have to have every single piece in the outfit packed. But with broad, it will find these outfit ideas and then you're going to be able to tweak them to work for your actual vacation. So we're going to select broad and then click create a calendar, and then it's going to generate that for us. Now from here you can go ahead and shuffle to find some other options or just change it up to work for your vacation. So for example, let's open up one of these outfit ideas and we can toggle my pieces, and then here we can customize to the exact piece that we're taking on our trip. So under outfit breakdown here, you can select your Cancun Vacation, and then you can select the exact piece that you're actually taking on your vacation so that your exact outfits are actually planned out, because the example might pull in some accessories or shoes that you're not actually going to take. So once you make each outfit what you want it, you can hit save. You can also optionally choose to shuffle the outfit if you don't like the suggestion, or if there's too many duplicates, you could shuffle it and have it pick something else for you. So that is how you would create an outfit calendar based on the items that you're packing. Alternatively, you could also choose to generate an outfit calendar to help you decide what to pack. So let's create another one. We're going to choose based on our weather again. And here we're going to choose broad, and we're going to select our main closet. So it picks anything from our main closet, but it's still going to match the weather where we're going. Let's go ahead and add the calendar. So now we'll see suggestions. Now to see it with your pieces and decide and lock in what you're actually going to wear, you're going to want to go outfit by outfit. You can shuffle the outfit again if you wish, or just open up the outfit, toggle my pieces, and then lock in the exact pieces that you want to take. So you can tap on the items on the flat lay and switch it out to something else in your closet, or you can swap in other items by hitting customize and actually be able to remove items and add items to the outfit breakdown. Then you would save it and it would save the updated outfit on your calendar. So then now that you have those pieces planned, you would go ahead and pull the items that you see on your outfit calendar from your closet. So pick the method that works best with your brain, whether you start with an outfit calendar, pack from that, or start with a list and then create an outfit calendar based on that list.